Hello everyone, it's your boy algojedi here. So today I'm going to show you how to connect and code directly in your remote server. So some of you might have an EC2 instance or a remote server which you do stuff on there and you don't want to have to make local changes and then push using Git and then pull the changes back on the remote server to see changes, or that you're just lazy and you don't want to set it up all over again on your local machine. So let me show you how to do that. So before anything else, you would like to open up your Visual Studio Code, right? And you would go to your extensions tab and just search for remote SSH and install the first one, which is published by Microsoft. Just click on install it, okay? And once that is done, so for example, here we have a 2 instance and it has this public IP address. So you would want to configure that in your local machine configure file. So here in the folder that is here, so you would want to cd into your SSH folder, which is in your user folder, right? And there should be a file called config. So you would want to go into that using Vim or Nano, okay? So you can go here and you type in the config. As you can see, I have a lot of servers set up. I'm just gonna say hi mom because there's a code base called hi mom on there, and you want to paste in the IP address of the server and make sure that your username and identity file, which is used for the SSH protocol, is correct. So once that is done, you would go to your Visual Studio Code here, right? So say I want to open a file in that server. What you would do here is you go to Command Shift P or just run the command, and there should be a command called remote SSH connect to host, and you would want to select the option that you just put in the config file. In this case it's hi mom, and it will take 2 to 3 seconds to connect to the server. So now it seems like it's successful. So if you click on open, you can see that it's where we're trying to open a folder in the server, right? So say here we're going to source into this folder here, and it's going to open that up, right? And it will take a while because you are interacting with your server. So yeah, now we're in, and you can make changes and you can save the file. You can code in this folder as if it's in the local folder, right? So how cool is that? And what's even cooler is the terminal itself source into the SSH protocol as well. So this is, you're interacting with the server directly. So I hope that's useful. That's all for today.